Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I've received many YouTube requests on how to make French toast. This is my favorite way to make French toast. I start with a cinnamon raisin bread. This is a thin sliced cinnamon raisin bread, but if you want to use plain bread, you may do that too. You're going to need 1/3 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 cup of crushed corn flakes. You can buy this in the dollar aisle of the supermarket. It's going to make about 1 cup of crushed corn flakes, but if you want to buy the big box of it, you feel free to do that too. The way I serve my French toast is with a lovely maple syrup, or you can use a blackberry syrup, or you could use honey, or whatever else you'd like. Top this with fresh strawberries, blueberries, bananas, pecans, walnuts, your own favorite syrup. I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to show you how we're going to get this together. Add your egg right here into that 1/3 cup of milk along with your sugar. With a fork, you can give this a lovely little whisk. Take your corn flakes, add them into a sandwich size plastic bag, seal the top, and we just start crushing. Or you can use the back of a spoon and crunch them down like this. Time to build our small assembly line. In one bowl, we're going to add the egg mixture. In the second bowl, we're going to add those crushed corn flakes. Add a piece of our bread into our egg mixture, and then you flip it over on the other side. If you want to use your fingers, you may do that too. Make sure you drip off all the egg mixture, and now we're going to just roll it down. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so delicious into these corn flakes. Over here to the oven top, in a 12-inch skillet over medium heat, add a tablespoon of butter until it's lovely and melted. Now you don't want your skillet too hot. Make sure you take time for this lovely butter to melt in with that lovely French toast. And you're going to hear it sizzle. Can you hear it? Let this cook for about 1.5 minutes or until it's golden brown on the other side. After 1.5 minutes, you're going to see how lovely and golden it is over here on this side. Cook this for an additional 1.5 minutes. Don't burn your French toast while you're cooking it. And if it gets too hot, raise up your skillet and take it off the heat. It will continue cooking. French toast has cooked, and we're going to lie it over here on a plate to keep it warm while we complete the rest of our French toast. Look how beautiful that French toast turned out. I want to show you a variety of ways that we really enjoy this delicious French toast. Add a little powdered sugar, that blackberry syrup, and if I had blackberries, I'd be using blackberries, but I have blueberries. A little whipping cream, top it with blueberries, and a little bit more drizzle of that syrup. Oh yes, yummy. This crunch from those frosted flakes is just absolutely spectacular. We can add a little honey. It's all you need. Perfect every single time. This is win-win all by itself. The kids' favorite way of eating French toast are these little finger-sized slices served with their favorite syrup, and I've just got a little maple syrup here. Pick it up, dunk it, dip it, and enjoy it. Fantastic. An endless way to eat French toast. Yum! My favorite way to eat this French toast. Add bananas, chopped pecans, and that grade A maple syrup. Oh, yum. Gotta give it a try. Little bite of banana and a little bit of pecan. Oh, perfect bite. Look inside. Oh, yeah, delicious. I got to dress it up a little bit with these bananas and pecans and this maple syrup. It makes it spectacular. And serve it with the fruit, the nuts, the syrup that you like best. It's delicious. The crunch on this French toast from those corn flakes puts this over the top in the French toast world. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Look how fantastic. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.